Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you how to convert simple Audionic speaker into Bluetooth. Here you can see that there is Audionic speaker, simple Audionic speaker. There is output wire of aux cable. Now let's convert it to Bluetooth. First I will open this. Friend, if you like this project, then don't forget to subscribe and also press bell icon for my next project notification. Here friends, there is aux cable wire connection. Here you can see that now let's remove aux cable wire connection. Dear friend, there is aux cable wire connection, 3 wire connection. To convert this into Bluetooth, I am using their mini Bluetooth module. There is operating wire and there is aux cable output wire. Now let's connect it. Dear friend, there is ground wire. There is left side. And there is right side. Dear friend, the output connection has been done. Now let's connect operating wire, positive and negative. There is positive wire, operating wire. Here you can see that. Now let's connect operating wire. So friend, all connection have been done. Now let's remove aux cable. Now let's close it. Now friend, Bluetooth speaker have been ready to use. Dear friend, if you like this idea, then don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon for my next project notification. Have a great day.